So hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. As always, I'm recording locally and streaming. Today it's on Twitch service. Let's check out the stream if it's working properly, and then we will resume the action. So yeah, it says live. Hopefully it will start anytime now. Let me poke it up. Reload. Yes, it works. Of course it works. Why I'm still worrying, I don't know, but there is always the worry there that something will not work. Anyway, as I was saying, we are back on my old trustworthy system, and just like the past few days, I'm still on Nyarch Linux, or Nyarch Linux, or as the AI assistant told me, Nyarch Linux. Whatever, whichever is the correct how can I say this? You know, the accent, how you are saying these words, I'm not sure, but here we are. Let me show you the system information, first through the GUI, system settings, about, and then in the details, here we are now. The system has 32 GB of RAM, 2 TB SSD storage space, AMD Ryzen 9 CPU 6900HX, and the GPU also an AMD Radeon RX 6800M. It's Nyarch Linux, the April release, late April release of 2026, GNOME 50 Wayland, and the kernel is 714 something. So yeah, and with that out of the way, let's go into the terminal. Here it is. You can pause the stream and take a good look at your own pace. However, pay attention to the screen resolution. It's full 4K 3840 by 2160 at 120 Hz. However, I'm recording and streaming, yes, in full 4K resolution, but 30 FPS today. And let me hide this one for now. So yeah, let me show you also the OBS settings. Let's go there. OBS settings, just like this. Video, full 4K resolution, 30 FPS. I'm using hardware encoders. For the audio, it's FMPEG AAC. For the video, it's FMPEG VAPI H264. 16,000 bitrate, and I'm using MKV for the file, for the recording. So yeah, things have been going great. I've said this the other day as well. I had a few silly things that I am not able yet to solve, like this one for example. At the moment it says that it's on airplane mode, so I have to click this one here, and then I have to disable Bluetooth because I'm not using it. So yeah, this so far has been an issue, a silly issue, but still. And then regarding the system updates, I have left this extension up here. It's an extension basically which takes care of the system updates. I could have disabled by now because I've noticed that my own tool, like this one, it works perfectly fine. So you just type nyarchman and then the password. I hope I typed it correctly. Nice. And then it takes care of all the system updates, and just like that you're done. And yeah, let me do a fast fetch now, just like this, and hide the terminal again. Maybe you have noticed this already. I'm using my Swedish Breeze cursor, so maybe you have guessed now that my cursor factory is up and running. And it does, and I will show you soon. And also I'm not using the wallpaper slideshow extension. I'm using my own wallpaper script once again. So here it is with my keybinds. We are currently on the wallpaper 1162, so 1162 if you prefer. And then I'm having like about 1300 something wallpapers. So most of them are like 4K, 5K, 6K resolution. A few of them are like 2K, let us call it 2K resolution, and a few dozens maybe it's like full HD. Anyway, let me see again. We are currently 1163. Let's go like 1165 just for the lols, and here we are. So yeah, you know what, I'll do something else. I'll just skip ahead a lot. I'll go like 1200. So let's use these ones now. Because rarely you have seen these wallpapers here, these higher number wallpapers while I have been streaming or recording or whatever. But yeah, and about the cursor factory, here it is. As always, we can create a new one or select an existing one. I'll go, for example, and create a new one. It asks me where is my folder. I have it right here. If you don't have it, you just if it's the first time, you just escape and it will download it for you. Then you type a name here. I will go with the usual demo of Toxic, and then I will select some kind of a green color, like I don't know, this one maybe, whatever. And then some kind, this is the previous was the body, the mouse cursor body, and this is the mouse cursor outline. And I will go with some kind of yellow, I don't know, like this one maybe. Yeah, let's just take this one. Then we wait a bit. It will ask for the mouse cursor size. I will use now the 58 because I'm running full 4K resolution, and something between 48 and 56 is fine. I'll go with 56 instead of 48, and boom, here it is. Here is my Toxic cursor. And if I want to switch to another one, again, I'm using my keybinds, or you can use the terminal commands. And then you go here, and once again you select the one you prefer. I will go with yellow red, my usual preferred one, and then I will go again with 56, and boom, here it is. So just like that, I can select between my mouse cursors and the size of them, and these are applicable to all of the apps. If an app is not supporting it, you don't have to relog or anything. You just close the app and run it again, and no problem. So let's try my dog apps for now. Settings, just fine, as you can see. How about the volume control? Just fine, the cursor works properly. Files, why are you here? Go up there, just fine, of course. Characters, just fine, as you can see. Calculator, boom, no problem. Text editor, why are you here? Go like this, just fine. And a few more left. Let's just go through them. Oh, I love this wallpaper. Yeah, love it. Anyway, back to action. Here we are. Let's move the GIMP where it should be, like this. So yeah, as you can see, everything works properly. Let's go with Kdenlive. We are here, no problem whatsoever, just fine. What about Tenacity? I don't know why Tenacity more often than not is slow to start up, but such is the nature of it, at least the Flatpak version that I have been using. And as you can see, no problem with it. So yeah, and as I said, if an app has some kind of an issue, you just relaunch the app, and that's it. So Wallpaper Jumper in Cursor Factory is in place. Actually, most of my settings have been working fine, my extensions and all that, but that's a story for another day. Sorry. Yeah, I think I will do a separate video for extensions. Let's not waste time with extensions today. What else I wanted to say about Nyarch Linux? I'm trying to remind myself a silly thing that I've come across. There was one little thing that was bothering me, but I cannot remember like truly silly things, but still they are there, you know, and they annoy me. And I'm not sure if it's related to Nyarch or GNOME or something I've been doing wrong with my extensions or scripts. Yeah, right now I have forgotten what I wanted to say. Last but not least, I just wanted to show you I've taken care of the colors in the terminal. This is a new way for me. I'm enjoying this new look. I went away from my Swedish flag colors, the usual, not my Swedish flag, I meant like my Swedish flag colors customizations. Anyway, so here is when I'm selecting a text, how it looks. So I like this one, and I think this is something that I will keep doing moving forward. And then when I type like a command like this, or when I type a command like this is how things appear. I'm pretty sure that most people will freak out by these colors, but I like them. And all of these colors will be not just colors, I mean like customizations are going to be on the guide, which at the moment I'm writing. While doing these things I'm writing. I have like I didn't take care, I think only left you know, the look of the apps, like having the same theme, the same icons, etc. But I will do that first chance I get, and yeah, we will see. So most probably tomorrow I will have DaVinci Resolve Studio. Hopefully everything will go well with it. I'll try to have it up and running properly on this system, at least the best case scenario. As I said in the past few times, if you want to run in a system that is like 5 to 6 years old, like mine or my Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, better to have an NVIDIA graphics if you are running DaVinci Resolve Studio 21. And then I will try to or maybe tomorrow I will try, yeah, I don't know, I will see. Maybe tomorrow I will do the stress test first, then you know, like having Final Fantasy 14 running and the rest of the system apps that I will have, like maybe, I don't know, 30 apps open, 40 apps, I don't remember how many are they, but we will see. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.